Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share a delicious and all-time favorite dish, that is paneer butter masala. Let's see how to prepare this dish. First, take a small bowl, add 1½ teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 4 to 5 number of cashews. Soak these three items using water. This will helps to make a smooth paste while grinding. After adding the water, keep it aside. Next, what we need is 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and main important ingredient is capsicum. 1 small size capsicum. Chop all these items into a small pieces. For make the work easy, fry the paneer in the pan first. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. After heating up the oil, place the paneer in the pan. Then give a gentle saute to the paneer. Don't overcook the paneer. Maximum 1 minute is enough for this. After frying this, remove the paneer from the pan. Don't overcook. If it is overcooked, then it will become a rubber-like texture. After removing the paneer, in that same pan, you can fry all those chopped vegetables one by one. First, I am placing the chopped onion. Fry this for 2 minutes. After completing this, add ginger garlic. Place the vegetable in the pan, which is I am following because I am following the decreasing order. Which needs more time, that one is in the first place, and which needs less time, that one is in the last place. So I am placing first onion, then ginger garlic. After completing the ginger garlic, add the chopped tomatoes. Fry this for 1 or 2 minutes, approximately it takes that time. Please keep the flame in the medium. Don't cook the food in the high flame. After completing the tomatoes, add the chopped capsicum. If you don't like the capsicum, you can avoid the vegetable. But this vegetable gives the perfect taste to the dish. So please try to add this. Fry this for 2 minutes. After completing, switch off the flame and allow this to cool. After it cools down well, grind it like a paste. No need to add water. Now the paste is ready for cooking. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. This one is homemade butter, unsalted butter. After melting the butter, add 1 cardamom and 1 spoonful of cumin seeds. This is enough for this dish. Don't add too much spices. This will give the fantastic taste to the dish. Just like a breeze, you feel the taste. Then add the paste in the pan. Fry this for approximately 5 minutes until it evaporates the water content. First fry, then add the masalas. Meanwhile, I am going to make the smooth paste of soaked items. Now it is completed, almost completed. In this stage, I am going to add the masalas. First, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of plain chili powder. Then last, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Don't add the masala immediately after adding the paste in the pan. Just allow to cook and then add the masalas. This will give the better taste to the dish. After adding the masala, mix it well and cook until it becomes a thicker paste. While cooking in this stage, give a constant stir to the paste or otherwise it will burn at the bottom. So keep stirring. Now it is completed. In this stage, add the cashew paste in the pan. After adding the cashew paste, don't overcook this. Always after adding this paste, you have to cook only for 2 or 3 minutes. Then add the liquid for adjusting the consistency. After adding the water, allow this to boil. This dish needs a moderate spicy taste. Now it has started to boil. After completing 2 minutes, we have to add milk and fresh cream in the gravy. Now it is completed. In this stage, I am adding 50 ml of boiled milk and 50 ml of fresh cream. If you don't have this fresh cream, no worries, you can add 100 ml of milk in the gravy. Instead of cream, you can add extra milk in the gravy. Then mix it well. After mixing this, add the fried paneer. Then mix this gravy properly. Now the paneer butter masala is ready. In this stage, switch off the flame. Follow this method. You will definitely get the perfect taste and you feel the completeness. We'll see you in the next video. Until enjoy the food. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.